speaking on behalf of all the viewers, Sibongile and Dlaminis, guys. Ngazi sesikhatheleke ile back and forth ye relationship ka Kwenzo no Sibongile. Leli viki bathi ngathi ke uNomalanga no Kwenzo bafuna ukubuyelana. Bathi ke unjengaye guys usedaka utshwala. Ngokucabanga kwakho ke uvusi be able ukuphatha amabhizinisi o sekukuphela ke kweDlamini Empire. Cha, mina angimethembi stalo shame. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 1st to the 3rd of April 2024 on Monday. A heartbroken Sibongile catches up with Wenzeni and discovers that the spark between Noma and Kwenzo has been reignited. Meanwhile, Kuzwayo is summoned to the head office in Durban on Tuesday. Worry and disappointment hunt Kuzwayo when he finds out the real reason he was summoned to Durban. Guilty overcomes Sibongile when she realizes the damage she caused while pursuing a relationship with Kwenzo on Wednesday. A drunk Njengaye tells Nomfundo that he planned to leave Upheteni and finally be with her. The helpers also learn that Mashali or Mamshali is Nomfundo's replacement and she isn't a nice old lady but a mean slave driver. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.